earth, but you didn't know the ways I loved you, no. So you took a chance and made other plans, but I bet you didn't think that they would come crashing down. You don't have to say what you did, I already know. I found out from him, now there's just no chance for you and me. It'll never be. Don't it make you sad about it? You told me you loved me, why didn't you leave me all alone? Now you tell me you need me when you call me on the phone. And now I refuse, you must have me confused with some other guy. Your bridges were burned and now it's your turn to cry. Cry me a river, cry me a river, yeah. Cry me a river, cry me a river, yeah, yeah. I know they say some things I better left unsaid. It wasn't like you only talk to him and you know it. Don't act like you don't know it. All these things people tell me keep messing with my head. You should have picked honesty and you might not have blown it. You don't have to say what you did, I already know. I found out from him, now there's just no chance for you and me. There'll never be, and don't it make you sad about it? You told me you love me, why didn't you leave me all alone? Now you tell me you need me when you call me on the phone. And now I refuse, you must have me confused with some other guy. Your bridges were burned and now it's your turn to cry. Cry me a river, 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 cry me a river. Sometimes I feel like giving up. No medicine is strong enough. Someone help me. Ooh, I'm crawling in my skin. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I just can't. It isn't in my